Ring Doorbell Privacy Issues, a closer look. The Ring Doorbell, owned by Amazon, offers convenience but raises concerns about privacy. Users fear data misuse and intrusion of privacy. The Ring camera records when motion is detected, sending alerts to homeowners. Recent reports highlight Ring Doorbell hacking incidents, like the case of a family whose camera was accessed by hackers through Wi-Fi. Despite security measures like two-factor authentication, vulnerable networks can still be breached. While Ring claims to enhance security, Wi-Fi-connected devices remain targets for hackers. Cloud-based technology, including Ring cameras, are not immune to threats. The camera only records when motion is detected and can capture conversations within 3 feet. In conclusion, Ring doorbells pose privacy risks despite security updates. Users should remain vigilant and secure their networks to prevent hacking incidents. Protect your privacy online. Visit our website for more cybersecurity tips. Whatismyip.com